Well, Governor Gavin Newsom's cash splash on mental health aims to transform people's lives here in California. Billions of dollars were made available by Proposition 1 to focus on the homeless and people with behavioral health issues. Eyewitness News reporter Mary Peronian explains what Newsom is asking from counties like Kern to do. Mary.
Hi, you guys. During yesterday's press conference, Newsom said that people are demanding for more accountability with real results. He mentioned that the newest tools that will be offered will make counties safer and healthier.
I've never been more enthusiastic about our prospects to actually make a dent and address the issue of what's happening on the streets and sidewalks in this state than I am today.
$3.3 billion. That's how much money Governor Newsom's administration made available for counties by July to build more behavioral health treatment centers. This is the first round coming from Proposition 1, the California ballot measure that passed in March. In total, it covers about $6.4 billion. Over the next 2 to 3 years, it's supposed to cover housing, mental health, behavioral health, or substance abuse. Newsom says it will be transformational.
5 years ago, there was no homeless strategies, no homeless plans, period, full stop. The state of California was not involved in these issues. Not 50 years ago, not 20 years ago, not a decade ago, just 5 years ago.
On Wednesday, here at home, the Kern Behavioral Health and Recovery Services took their own steps by breaking ground on 2 psychiatric facilities. They have 16 rooms each for adults and kids that will soon open its doors for patients, a project that's been in the works for the last decade.
A lot of individuals said that when they came into a behavioral health treatment facility, that the experience themselves, that experience itself was traumatic, and so we wanted to have an environment that was warm and welcoming, so when they came in, they didn't feel like it was somewhere that they didn't want to be.
Newsom also announced the launch of a new website for the people that need mental health support. Carlos Baldovinos, the executive director of the mission at Kern County, says the more options we have, the better his organization can help serve the community.
This is going to add more tools to the toolkit, right? I mean, when you're seeing the most vulnerable in our community or any part of any part of our state that needs mental health help, this is a very much needed. We're seeing it. We see it in our data. We see it in our streets. It's very visual. So I do think this is a good first step on addressing this.
The amount of money that counties will receive hasn't been addressed yet. Baldovino says he's looking forward and seeing what Newsom's office will send to the organizations here in Kern in the coming months. In studio, Mary Peronian, Eyewitness News.
Hi, I'm Rochelle Murcia with Eyewitness News Bakersfield Now on YouTube. Thank you for checking out our YouTube channel where we have tons of great content to choose from. While you're here, go ahead and click on the subscribe button right there. That way you can stay up to date on all the things related within Kern County. Thanks for watching.